In this video, I'm going to teach you about volume and changes in scale to the volume. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says if the width is halved, the length is tripled, and the height is quadrupled, then what would happen to the volume? And here we have this cube here. It's a rectangular prism. So for a rectangular prism, the volume is length times width times height. Okay? Length times width times height. So if the width is halved, that means we multiply it by a half. If the length is tripled, then we multiply it by 3. If the height is quadrupled, we multiply it by 4. So the new volume will be scaled by a scale factor which equals to 1/2 times 3 times 4. Because these are the numbers we will be multiplying these variables by to figure out what would happen to the volume when we finally calculate it. So when you multiply these together, you get 6. So that means the new volume will be 6 times the old volume. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.